Hey everyone, my name is Juan. Today, we'll do a quick unboxing of the Jordan Zion 1 shoes.
Thank you for clicking and joining me in this video. If you're new to my channel, hope you'll hit the like button and also subscribe. I collect first releases of signature basketball sneakers for casual wear. This newest release from the Jordan brand, the Zion 1 shoes, is Zion Williamson's first signature basketball shoes. I got this pair from the Nike.com Philippines website last week. The shoe was supposed to be released on April 23rd, but for some reason, when I visited the site last April 21, it was there, available for purchase. So I added a size 12 US to cart and immediately proceeded to checkout. A couple of hours later, the shoes were no longer available. I guess I'm one of the lucky ones who got the pair one day in advance from the date of release. And just this Monday, April 26th, the shoes were delivered to my home via express shipping, all the way from Singapore. The cost of the shoe is 6,445 pesos, or roughly around $130 US. Zion Williamson is a second-year professional basketball player and an NBA All-Star. He's currently playing for the New Orleans Pelicans. And this shoe colorway is called the Gen Zion colorway or the Gen Z colorway. Zion is expected to lead the next generation of basketball players in the NBA. And Zion is Jordan's brand pick to lead the new generation. And now, let's have a closer look at Zion's first signature basketball shoes. The upper of the shoe is mostly made of plastic fuse and synthetic textile. This is probably why the shoe feels very light. Looking at the shoe, you know it's a Zion shoe with the letter Z highlighted on the side of the shoe. The letter Z also divides the black and white tones of the shoe. There are also two bands located in the middle of the shoe for added stability when you play. I guess I won't be able to test this since I no longer play. There are hints of gold present in the tongue of the shoe. There's Zion's initial on the tongue, and on the edges of the tongue, there's a thin layer of synthetic leather, and the padding around the ankle is thick and plush. When it comes to tech, the midsole has a full-length Airstroble Cushioning and has an extra Zoom Air unit in the forefoot, which definitely spells comfort when you wear it. The shoe also has a big outrigger for added stability. Lastly, the outsole is made of multi-directional patterns for steady traction. The outsole also has a lot of really cool details to see, from names of family members and names of the schools that Zion attended during his humble beginnings. And now, let's take the Zion 1 for a spin. And of course, let's try the shoes on feet. All in all, the shoe is very comfortable to wear. The shoe looks light and small, but it does fit true to size. It's a simple black and white shoe, but it still exudes a subtle swagger, even when you wear it casually. I'm happy to add the Zion 1 into my collection. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing video. Always remember to wash your hands and brush your teeth. Have a great week ahead and have a good one.